Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to insert a drop-down list or drop-down on your Canva sheets on your computer. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the drop-down list on your Canva sheets on your computer, it is going to show in this video. To insert the drop-down list, you just need to use action button. So the action button is actually on the top floating bar. Click on the quick action button, just search as drop. So you can find this option insert drop down or create drop down. You can just use both. You can click here. So now click here. You can just easily create the drop down. We can just change the options like red or number, NUMB or number, and you can just change the option number. And if you just need to change the color, you can just edit it and you can just change the color. You can just choose it as yellow or a red color, whatever color you just needed. So you have another option. Just type as drop on the thing, and if you just click this, here you have the presets of drop like yes or no, high, medium, low, status, approval, like that. Just go click here. So now you can choose the approval. You can just use your own thing to add emojis and also create this type of drop menu. You can just it's easy. You can just create this. This is a preset. You can just use it like yes or no or not set, like that. It's so simple to create and you can just easily to use it. This is how you just create this drop down list on your Canva sheets on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.